Everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be taking a detailed look at the application that we're going to be building. Our application is going to be a chat application, which is going to be powered by Firebase, a backend as a service provided by Google. So let's quickly dive into our application and see the features that our application has and what things we can do with it. So the first thing is that our application is going to have a login screen, and this login screen is going to allow users to log in. For example, I'm going to log in as a user called Keanu, and then preneur.com. So just let me do it. And then with that, we'll support a password as well. And doing that, we're going to do login. It's going to log in into our application. The first screen that we're going to be presented with is the screen where we can see our recent conversations. So the conversations that we've been having with people. In these conversations, we'll have the images of either the group that we're talking with or the person that we're talking to, and as well as a status indicator that'll let us know whether the person that we're talking to or one of the people in the group that we're a part of were actually active within the last half hour or like 10 minutes, something like that. Our application is also going to give us the ability to actually initiate conversations, and to do that, we'll have another page called the users, and here we'll be able to see the users that are inside of our application. We'll be able to actually search for users on their names. For example, I want to find a user whose name is Morgan. So doing that, I'm just going to be seeing this, and these queries are going to be done on the Firebase side. And if I just remove the search results, I get all of the users back. We'll have the ability to either initiate a conversation with a user, or we can have a group conversation by selecting multiple users and creating a group chat. Apart from this, we can go back to our chat application, and I'm going to show you internally the chat structure. So we'll have the ability to send text messages, and we'll see the time of when they were sent, and we'll have the ability to send picture messages as well. We'll have this kind of a text box in which we can type messages. So I'm going to say great pic, and with this I'll do send, and there goes our message. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go back and I am going to log out, and I'm going to show you the ability for our application in which we can create a new user, which is going to be first selecting a picture for a user just by clicking on the picture and selecting one. And then we'll also have the ability to add a name, email, password, and then click on register. I'm now going to go back and I'm going to log in as another user. So preneur.com, and then the password for every user, just test 1, 2, 3, and then login. To do login, we're going to log in, and as you can see, the message that was sent by Keanu is now here, and I can see great pic, and I can do thanks to that. And with this, if you send it, you're going to see that the message goes. So if I go back, you are going to see that we automatically scroll down as well. So with this, we now have a thorough overview over the application that we're going to be building. So I'm going to end this video here, and now in the next video, we're going to be creating our Flutter project. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.